Good day everyone, these are the siblings of Jose Rizal, which presented by Fiona Marie Loyola, John Lloyd Lumaban, Shania Kayla Linga, and Vea Linga.
Saturnina Rizal Mercado de Hidalgo, eldest sister of Jose Rizal, born on June 4, 1850, married to Manuel T. Hidalgo, a native and one of the richest persons in Tanawan, Batangas, known as Neneng. In 1909, Hidalgo published the first Tagalog-Filipino translation of her brother's revolutionary novel, Noli Me Tangere, thus ensuring Rizal's words became accessible beyond elite Spanish-speaking circles to the common Filipino. She died on September 14, 1913. Si Saturnina Rizal Mercado de Hidalgo po ay ang pinakamatandang kapatid ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Siya po ay pinanganak noong June 4, 1850 at ikinasal kay Manuel T. Hidalgo, isang katutubo at isa sa pinakamayaman na tao sa Tanawan, Batangas. Siya po ay kilala bilang Neneng. Noong 1909 po ay ipinapublish niya po yung Tagalog translation ng Noli Me Tangere upang hindi lamang po siya sa mga elite Spanish-speaking circles lamang maikot or maiintindihan. Para din po makaabot ang Noli Me Tangere sa mga common people na mga kagaya ng mga Pilipino. Tapos siya po ay namatay noong September 14, 1913. Pasiana Rizal, born on March 7, 1851 in Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. Only brother of Jose Rizal and the second child, addressed by his siblings as Sr. Pasiano. Studied at San Jose College in Manila. Together with Felipe Bencamino and Gregorio Santiago, Pasiano was a founding member of La Juventud Liberal. Joined and actively supported propaganda movement for social reforms and supported the movement's newspaper, Diaryong Tagalog. Si Pasiano Rizal daw po ay ipinanganak noong March 7, 1851 sa Calamba, Laguna. Siya po ang nag-iisang kapatid na lalaki ni Dr. Jose Rizal, kung saan siya po ay pangalawa sa magkakapatid. Siya po ay madalas tawagin ng kanyang mga kapatid na Sr. Pasiano. Pinaikling version po ng Sr. Pasiano. Siya po ay nag-aral sa San Jose College sa Maynila. Under naman po siya at kanya pong teacher ay si Padre Jose Burgos, isa po sa tatlong paring martir na pinatay po sa Bagong Bayan, na mas kilala po sa alias na Gumbursa. Kasama po si Felipe Bencamino, Gregorio Santiago. Sila po ay founding member ng La Juventud Liberal. Si Felipe Bencamino naman po at Gregorio Santiago ay mga kaklase po niya under kay Padre Jose Burgos. At siya po ay sumali at sumuporta sa propaganda movement po na Diaryong Tagalog na itinatag naman po ni Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Appointed as a Brigadier General of the Revolutionary Forces and was elected Secretary of Finance in the Department Government of Central Luzon. During the Philippine-American War, he commanded the Filipino forces in Laguna. U.S. troops captured him in Laguna on 1900s. He was released soon after and settled in the town of Los Baños, Laguna. He lived a quiet life as a gentleman farmer and died on April 13, 1930 at the age of 79 due to tuberculosis. Pasiano joined the Katipunero in Cavite under General Emilio Aguinaldo as Katipuneros. Pasiano was commissioned as General of the Revolutionary Forces and elected as Secretary of Finance in the Government of Central Luzon. So, si Pasiano Rizal daw po ay matapos po niyang sumali sa mga Katipuneros. Sumali po siya sa pangkat po ni President Emilio Aguinaldo. Kung saan siya po ay itinalaga bilang Brigadier General ng Revolutionary Forces at inelect bilang Secretary of Finance sa Departmental Government of Central Luzon. Tapos during the Philippine-American War naman po noong 1899 hanggang 1913 ay he commanded naman daw po the Filipino forces sa Laguna. Doon naman po siya nag-base sa Laguna. Nahuli naman po siya ng mga Amerikano sa Laguna noong 1900s. Tapos pinakawalan naman po siya soon after at nagsettle po sa Los Baños, Laguna. Siya po ay lumagay sa mabuti. He lived a quiet life as a farmer po, as a magsasaka. At namatay siya noong April 13, 1930 sa age ng 79 dahil sa tuberculosis o TB. Tapos, matapos po mamatay ni Rizal noong December 1896 ay siya po ay sumali sa mga Katipunero sa Cavite under po ni General Emilio Aguinaldo or nung unang presidente po na si Emilio Aguinaldo. Tapos siya po ay itinalaga bilang general ng Revolutionary Forces o ng mga Katipunero. Tapos inelect siya bilang Secretary of Finance sa Government of Central Luzon naman po.
Narcisa Rizal. Si Narcisa ay pinanganak noong October 29, 1852 at siya ay pangatlo sa magkakapatid na may palayaw na Sisa. Katulad ni Saturnina, tumulong si Narcisa sa pag-aaral ni Jose sa Europe at isinangla ni Narcisa ang kanyang mga alahas at ibinenta niya ang kanyang mga damit para sa pag-aaral ni Rizal. At memorize niya ang mga poem na isinulat ni Jose. At ikinasal siya kay Antonino Manapat Lopez noong June 6, 1875 at namatay siya noong June 24, 1939 sa edad na 86. Olympia Rizal. Si Olympia Rizal ay ikaapat sa magkakapatid. Siya ay ipinanganak noong December 1854 sa Calamba, Laguna. And si Jose ay mahilig magbiro sa kanyang kapatid dahil inadescribe niya si Olympia bilang kanyang matapang na kapatid. And mayroong kaklase si Olympia na si Segunda Katigbak na first love ni Jose sa La Concordia College. And ipinagtapat naman ni Rizal kay Olympia ang tungkol kay Segunda. And si Olympia ang naging silbing way sa pagitan ni Jose at ni Segunda. At nagpakasal naman si Olympia noong 1882 kay Silvestre Ubaldo and namatay siya noong 1887 sa edad na 32. Lucia Rizal. Si Lucia Rizal ay panglima sa magkakapatid. Siya ay ipinanganak noong December 13, 1857. Ikinasal siya kay Mariano Montes Herbosa ng Calamba, Laguna noong February 27, 1876. Siya ay pinagbintangan na nagsulsol sa kanyang kababayan na huwag magbayad ng renta or upa sa mga lupa na nagdulot ng kaguluhan. And si Lucia and Mariano ay minsan nang iutos na ipatapon sila sa ibang bansa, kasama ang ilang pamilya ni Rizal. And ang asawa ni Lucia na si Mariano ay namatay noong May 1889 dahil sa sakit na kolera. At siya ay hindi nabigyan ng isang burol na pangkatoliko dahil hindi ito nangumpisal mula nang ikasal siya kay Lucia. At namatay si Lucia Rizal noong December 25, 1919 sa edad na 63.
Maria Rizal, 1859 to 1945. Born in April 1859, Maria Rizal is the sixth child in the family. It was to her whom Jose talked about wanting to marry Josephine Bracken when the majority of the Rizal family was apparently not amenable to the idea. Jose had also brought up to Maria his plan of establishing a Filipino colony in North British Borneo. She married Daniel Faustino Cruz on June 5, 1886. So, si Maria Rizal ay pang-anim na anak ni Doña Teodora Alonso and Don Francisco Mercado. And kay Maria Rizal, sinabi ni Jose Rizal yung kagustuhan niya na pakasalan si Josephine Bracken kahit ayaw or against yung family niya doon sa idea na yon. And kay Maria din sinabi ni Jose Rizal yung plano niya na magtayo or magtatag ng Filipino colony sa North British Borneo. Ang colony po ay isang lugar o bansa na nasa ilalim ng pamamahala ng isang bansa. Tulad na lamang ng naging colony ng Espanyol ang Pilipinas kung saan nanirahan sila dito ng ilang daan taon at sila yung nagkontrol sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas. So, Maria and Daniel had 5 children, namely Mauricio, Petrona, Prudencio, Paz, and Encarnacion. Their son Mauricio married Concepcion Arguelles, and the couple had a son named Ismael Arguelles Cruz and was the father of Chema Cruz Arneta, the first Filipina who won the Miss International title and the first Southeast Asian to win an international pageant title. So she died on September 1, 1945 at the age of 86. Jose Rizal, 1861 to 1896. Born on June 19, 1861, second son and the seventh child, a Filipino nationalist writer and polymath active at the end of the Spanish colonial period of the Philippines. He is considered a national hero, pambansang bayani of the Philippines. An ophthalmologist by profession, became a writer and a key member of the Filipino propaganda movement, which advocate political reforms for the colony under Spain. So, si Jose Rizal ay ipinanganak noong June 19, 1861, ang pangalawang anak na lalaki at pangpito sa magkakapatid. So, si Rizal ay isang nationalist o tao na nagkasuporta sa kanyang bansa. Kumbaga ay loyal and devoted siya sa bansa niya. And si Jose Rizal ay isang manunulat din at isang polymath o isang taong may malawak na kaalaman sa iba't ibang bagay o larangan. So, si Jose Rizal ay naging miyembro din ng Filipino Propaganda Movement kung saan sila yung nagasulong ng pagbabago ng politika o gobyerno sa ilalim ng mga Espanyol. He was executed by the Spanish colonial government for the crime of rebellion after the Philippine Revolution broke out. It was inspired by his writing. He wrote the novels No Limitang Hira in 1887 and El Filibusterismo in 1891, which together are taken as a national epic in addition to numerous poems and essays. Composed a patriotic valedictory poem, later published with the title Ultimo Adios before he was executed. Executed in Manila Bagumbayan Field on December 30, 1896. So, si Rizal ay pinatay o binaril sa kadahilanan na napagbintangan si Jose Rizal na nangunguna sa revolusyon dahil sa kanyang mga isinulat kung saan naglalaman ito ng mga pamumuna sa sistema ng pamamahala ng mga Espanyol. So, isinulat ni Jose Rizal yung Noli Me Tangere at Il Filibusterismo. So, isinulat din niya or ikinatha din ni Rizal yung tula na na pinamagatan na Ultimo Adios bago siya patayin noon. So, si Rizal ay pinatay sa Manila Bagong Bayan Field or kilala ngayon bilang Luneta Park noong December 30, 1896. Concepcion Rizal, 1862 to 1865. Born in 1862, she died in 1865 at the age of 3. Also called Concha by her siblings. 8th child of the Rizal family. It is said that Pepe loved most the little Concha who was a year younger than him. When Concha died in sickness in 1865, Jose mournfully wept at losing her. He later wrote in his memoir, "When I was 4 years old, I lost my little sister Concha, and then for the first time, I shed tears caused by love and grief." So, si Concepcion Rizal ay may palayaw siya na Concha, and ipinanganak siya noong taong 1862 and namatay siya noong 1865 sa edad na 3. So, inasabi na yung paboritong kapatid ni Jose Rizal or Pepe ay si Concha. And nung namatay si Concha sa sakit noong 1865, ay nagluksa maigi si Jose Rizal kung saan ay isinulat niya sa kanyang journal yung, "When I was 4 years old, I lost my little sister Concha, and then for the first time I shed tears caused by love and grief."
Josefa Rizal. Her pet name was Pangoy. She is the 9th child of the family who died as a spinster. Yung spinster po which means matandang dalaga. After Jose's martyrdom, the epileptic Josefa joined the Katipunan and is even supposed to have been elected the president of its own women's section. She was one of the original 29 women admitted to the Katipunan along with Gregoria de Jesus, wife of Andres Bonifacio. So sila po yung mga bantay ng mahalagang papeles at dokumento ng syudad. During their sessions, kumakanta at sumasayaw sila para malaman ng mga Guardia Civil na yung meeting na yun ay isang harmless social gatherings. Trinidad Rizal. Trining was the 10th child, born on June 6, 1868 in Calamba, Laguna. She became the custodian of Rizal's last and greatest poem, yung Custodian's Wish, which means tagapag-alaga. Trinidad joined the Katipunan after Jose's death. A Filipina feminist leader and co-founder of the Philippines' first feminist organization, the Asociación Feminista Filipina. So, yung Asociación Feminista Filipina founded in June 30, 1905 in Manila at the initiative of Concepcion Felix and with the collaboration of Trinidad Rizal, Demencia Lopez, Bonifacio Delgado, De Barreto, Maria Alevaro, Sofia Reyes, Helen C. Wilson, Paz Natividad, De Zulueta, Maria F. de Villamor, Teresa Solis, and Agueda, and also Jacoba Paterno. So, yung Asociación Feminista Filipina is the first women's club in the Philippines dedicated to the promotion of social welfare and encouragement of the participation of women in public affairs. So, yung unang meeting po ng Asociación Feminista Filipina ay naganap sa bahay ni Paz Natividad. Si Trinidad Rizal ay namatay noong May 9, 1951. Soledad Rizal, also called as Chuleng, born in 1870. She was the youngest child of the Rizal family. Being a teacher, she was arguably the best educated among Rizal's sisters. Rizal nonetheless used the topics as leverage in somewhat rebuking her sister, Soledad, for getting married to Pantaleon Quintero of Calamba without their parent consent. So, nagawa si Rizal ng isang sulat sa kanyang kapatid na si Soledad at ang nakasaad dito ay proud na proud siya dahil ang kanyang kapatid ay naging guro. Si Soledad Rizal din ay naging modelo ng kabutihan at magandang katangian sa kanyang mga kapwa. Napangasawa din na Soledad si Pantaleon Quintero at nagkaroon sila ng 5 anak na ang pangalan ay si Trinitario, Amelia, Luisa, Serafin, at Felix. Yung anak nila na babae na si Amelia ay napangasawa niya ang anak ni General Miguel Malvar na si Bernabe Malvar. Namatay si Soledad Rizal noong August 26, 1929 in San Roque, Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines sa edad na 59.